How to fix battery drain after Android 15 update. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, check battery drain apps. So you will see check battery drain apps from here. After check battery drain apps, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go back and refresh phone and again click on Settings app and click on About phone. After click on About phone, click on Detail info and space, and you will see Turn off RAM plus button. After turn off RAM plus, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, go back and click on About phone, scroll down to and click on Factory Reset and click on Erase all data. After click on Erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery drain after Android 15 update on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.